have an unboxing today, and this one's kind of fun because we got 2 bags today, and so this is a blind unboxing because I don't know which one is which. So we're gonna open this one. We went to the Nashville boutique, and Brooks, our fabulous client advisor, took great care of us today, as she always does. So let's see what's in box number 1. It's definitely a Speedy because I'm a Speedy girl. And let's see. Okay, so this is one that I never thought I would want, and I saw it at the Las Vegas boutique, and was like, oh, that is beautiful. Kept coming back to it, and we went to the Nashville boutique today to pick up the other bag, and I just had to bring this one home. Hubby says that when I gravitate towards a bag 3 times, that means he knows he needs to make it happen. So I went back to this one again today, and I just loved it, so we brought it home. So this is the Soft Speedy 30 in the tan sort of brown epi leather. Just get the box out of the way. And it's just super pretty. It's, you know, it's brown epi. It's got the side pocket. It comes, of course, with a shoulder strap. I love that it has the monogram canvas key tag here. And then inside, oops, let's see, it's got this, my favorite shorter shoulder strap with the Soft Speedies. I love this so much. The inside, if you can see, is so cool. It's the monogram canvas interior with the epi leather exterior. I didn't really think I liked epi leather because I have one epi leather bag, and it's a twist lock bag, Takashi Murakami line, and it's real firm. And I thought that meant the epi leather was really firm. And I like a swishy bag, so I didn't really think I would like an epi leather Speedy. But as you can see, this bag is super soft, very squishy. It's just the other one's firm because of the style of bag, and I sort of didn't realize that. So this one just is really soft. It's pretty simple, but it's just beautiful. It's a nice kind of everyday bag. The epi leather holds up so super well. I got the tag hot stamped, but I'm not sure where it is in my box. I'll have to find it. But yeah, it's got a zip pocket inside in the brown monogram leather, and clip on the shoulder strap here. It's just a great bag. It's a really good everyday bag. Just fits nicely on your shoulder. It's 30 size, so you know, holds everything you can need. I love the exterior pocket. You can slip your phone in there, and just a really pretty bag. So I'm super glad to have this, and I will probably be carrying this a lot since it holds up so well and is pretty neutral. So yeah, epi leather Soft Speedy 30 also comes in black, and this is the brown color. So hope you like it. For more great content, history, reviews, bag spotting in the wild, check out louisinthewild.com, and you can find us on all the socials, Instagram, Facebook, and of course here on TikTok.